So, this is the page number 11 of our book, Roots and Wings. So, let's start with the exercise, the left part of the exercise. First is pronunciation practice. We are going to do pronunciation practice. It says, we have to read these following words. Okay, we have to read these following words. As you can see, here is A and here is also the letter A, but still the pronunciation for both the word is different. Like here the sounds come A, and here the sounds come A, like bag, way. Okay, let's read them up. Okay, we'll be reading it. The first one is bag. A, bag. A sound have come here, whereas here the word is way. Here the sound come A. Mat, mat. May, sand. Ray, tap. Taste, hand. Haste. So with the same letter A, the sound of both the words from both the columns are different. Okay, one is A and the another is A, way. Now we'll be doing the next pronunciation part. Okay, here is also we can see the word starting from C and C, but still in both the words, while reading them, while pronouncing them, the sound comes different. Like cat, the sounds come of K, cat. K, cat. Here the word is cell, the sound come of S, cell. Let's read them up again. Cat, cell. Captain, center. Canal, circle. Camera, celebrate. Cavity, cement. So both are starting with the letter C, but both pronunciations are different. Now this was the pronunciation part. We'll be doing the next page. Write well. Okay, so in this, what is the question says? Look at the given pictures. Look at the given pictures of food items. Pick any 5 things that you want to offer to your friends at your birthday party. Make a list of them. So here are some of the birthday party items like ice cream, salad, cake, juice, sandwich, milkshake, popcorn, rolls. So you have to pick any 5 items that what you want to keep for your birthday party. If somebody asks from me, so I'll say I'll keep ice cream, cake, juice, rolls and sandwiches. Okay, so you can choose anything according to you, and we have to write them here in these blanks. Okay, now we'll be doing the next part, dictionary skills. As we have already done alphabetical order, so what is the question says? Question says, rearrange the following words in alphabetical order and write them in the space provided. So we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. So let's start. Balloon. The spelling for balloon is BALLON. So what is the right alphabetical order if we want to write it in alphabetical order? So what will come first? Firstly come A, balloon, BALLON. Then B, right? Then comes L. Double L was there in the spelling, so I'll be writing double L. Then N. And at the last, double O. So the right word is in alphabetical order AB, double L, N, double O, in alphabetical order, right? So like this, the next word will be ANT, ant. So it will kept like this only, because A come first in alphabetical order, then N, and then T. So this will go same. This will go same. What will be the alphabetical order for cake? Let's start doing it. So cake spelling is C-A-K-E. So first come A, then come C, then come E, and at the last K. So the right word is, we can pronunciate with Esak, something, okay? Now the next word is lamp. So the spelling for lamp is L-A-M-P, right? So first come A, then come L, then come M, and at the last P. So the right word is A-L-M-P. And the last will be F-A-N. Have any guess? First come A, then come F, and at the last N. So we have arranged these words in alphabetical order, right? Now let us doing the next part. These are the project works, okay? So we'll be doing it once we'll be coming back to the school. Values, this value and life skill. We'll be doing values and life skill. So the question is, your friend gives you a handmade hat on your birthday, but it is too big for you. Okay, your friend has gifted you a handmade hat. He have made a hat with his own hands, with paper or something. Now what will you do? The hat is a little big for you, okay, too big for you. You can't wear that hat. Now what will you do? The options are, thank him or her for the hat politely. You will say, oh, thank you so much. The second is, make a long face as you are upset. You will make a long face, oh, what you have given me. Okay, next is, tell your friend that it is of no use to you. You will say, oh, this is of no use to me. What will I do with your gift? Tell your friend that you are really that you really like the way he or she made it. You will say to him that I really like that you have made this hat for me. And the last is, tell other friends that it is of no use to you. You will tell to your other friend, oh, he gifted me that hat and it is of no use to me. So what will you do? Think about it. If I was the friend, then what I will do? I will thank him or her for that hat politely. Okay, I will thank him. Oh, thank you so much. And I will tell him that I really like that he make a hat for me. Okay, he make a hat from his hand for me. So this was the exercise of first chapter that we have completed today.